So hi, I've got a new DC to DC. This one is, I think it is boost. I will try to see that it works okay. The current for this one is 3 amp, 35 watt. The in voltage is 5 to 30 volt, the out is half to 30 volts, and I want to see if I can control the current out, the voltage out. So maybe I will try to connect a load. It comes with an heatsink that is on the chip and on the one diode here. So I would like to test it, that's all. So I will connect all the connection and then we'll see if we can control the current and the voltage, and we will see if this is doing what it should do, which is the boost. So in a minute. So everything is now connected and I supply 12 volts and I see 11.5. I hope that the boost function work. Let's try to see. Yes, it does. I can get more than the input voltage, so everything is okay. Let's go to the maximum. Maybe it should be 30 volts. Whoa, exactly. So the function for the boost is working properly. Now I will go to lower voltage and we will try to test the current out. How I will do it, I know how I will do it. I will apply 3 amp from the power supply, and now I will put a load of 1 amp for this voltage. And now I will try to play with the current, which is obvious, the second potentiometer. So I will try to reduce the current. I don't know to what side it should go, but I'm just trying now. Of course, when I will get to the current, so we should see a lower current, lower than 1.1. Let's see that we can get a lower current. Aha! Do you see? Okay, the voltage drops to 0 volts, so I can. Okay, so the current control is working. Aha! And you can see the LED. I will put it maybe closer, so you can see that the LED is showing that we are in the current control mode. So aha, so this actually work and working nice. Good, I'm impressed. So the current control works and also the voltage boost works and everything is nice. So very recommend. Nothing get hit yet. We are not near the 3 amps, so I can say that this DC to DC is working very good as expected and as written in the manual of this one. So that's all for now. Thank you and bye.